It's always a good time.
School Reopening Festival of Canossa Convent English Medium School, Karunagapalli. It is one of the best schools in Karunagapalli. In view of the prevailing COVID-19 condition, the school opening festival would be held online on 1st June. So, we proudly welcome all of you to the new academic year 2021-22 online classes.
ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ കഥന നിവാരണ കനിവിൽ ഉറവേ കാട്ടിൻ നടുവിൽ വഴി തെളിക്കൂ ലോകം മുഴുവൻ സുഖം പകരാനായി സ്നേഹദീപമേ മിഴി തുറക്കൂ
Reading from the Holy Bible. Be strong and bold. Have no fear or dread of them, because it is the Lord your God who goes before you. He will be with you. He will not fail you or forsake you. Do not fear or be dismayed. This is the word of the Lord.
We are so glad you're here for us today. We're glad you came. This is the day that will last in our memories, for reason to smile. Because great things start with small beginnings. This summer wishes from our tender hearts. That's in the future, crafting a new world, making us human and burning with faith. Masters of wisdom, angels of young minds, giving wisdom out of all. We are so glad to welcome you. We wish to give us a good heart. Celebrate what we bring us together. We are the one voice, we are to welcome you.
Good morning, dear parents and my dearest children. I want to say a big thanks to each one of you. I take leave of you and transfer to Ernakulam. So this academic year, you will be having a new HM. So a word of thanks to you. Thank you, dear parents, for your cooperation, collaboration, and your wholehearted support the past 6 years of my HMship in Canossa Convent English Medium School. I really remember all of you, and I will extend my prayer to you, each one of you. So I want to just introduce the new HM. Her name is Sister Lizzie John, who is coming from Bangalore. Surely she is the person with conviction and lot of vision, and you hope you can have a hope that she also will raise the name and fame of our school. She is a very hardworking person, simple person, and you can approach at any time, and she look at the wholehearted formation of the students. So, as you have entered the support in my time, you also should give the sufficient support and place your confidence in her. Surely she will do very well in this academic year and hereafter. So thank you, dear parents. Thank you very much.
Children, you may wonder at seeing this new face. Yes, I am Sister Lizzie John, the newly appointed HM to your school. and your sister Gladys Fernandez got transferred to our aided school at Fort Cochin. A big thanks to Sister Gladys for her creative, significant and selfless achievements for the development of our school for past 6 years. Learning is a treasure. It follows the honor everywhere till the death. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a real choice. So make a real choice in your life and become a gift to your parents and society and the world at large. Education is a magic wand given to the green hands of your teachers, and they will form you a creative citizen of India. And your school years is a golden opportunity for you to achieve higher and higher your dreams. And the pandemic COVID is the obstacle now you face to come over to the school and to be with your friends and teachers. Therefore, pray to God to wipe away this tiny virus from our planet. Till then, we will meet each other in online and offline, that is Google Meet, Zoom Meet, WhatsApp and phone calls. Be safe, keep distance and wash your hands with sanitizer or soap. Study well, pray well, play well and sleep well. Wish you all the best for the new academic year. And my dear teachers, I wish you all the best for your imparting knowledge to our children through new creative way. And may the Lord bless you with a good health, peace of mind and happiness in your teaching profession. Dear parents, I'm really happy to say thanks for your cooperation and support you had given to the management and staff past 1 year. And the school is at your doorstep. Now you are the real teacher in the school. When you teach the lessons, remember to teach good manners, principles and values, and help them to respect others. Above all, protect our Mother Earth. Thank you for your support.
Hi dear students, welcome back to another academic year of online classes. I hope all of you are fine and safe in your homes. Today, I am in front of you to share some good memories of our previous headmistress, Sister Gladys Fernandez. She has been a great source of inspiration and motivation for the entire students, teachers and staff members. Her leadership qualities always guided the students towards the glowing light. No doubt in my mind saying that she is skilled, open-minded, generous, knowledgeable, humble and highly responsible person by character. Our school achieved a lot of developments in her presence. Sister, we wish to pay our sincerest gratitude to you for the last 6 years of your service to our school. Wish you all the very best for your future and thank you once again for everything.
Conversion education is anchored on the formation of heart. We aim to imbue students with the values of our founding saint, Saint Magdalene of Canossa, in embracing diversity in people and developing a desire to serve others. So, dear parents, we ensure that the future of your child is safe in our hand. As every year, we expect your cooperation, collaboration and association this year too. Thank you.